Buffalo walked on a sunny day, swishing his tail in a silly way. He saw some grass so fresh and green, the yummiest grass he'd ever seen. Step by step he went too far, didn't notice a puddle, oh dear, oh my. Slip went his foot, splash went his head, into the water kerplop he said. Bubbles went up, blub blub blub. Buffalo thought, this feels like a tub. He splashed and played with happy cheer, cooling off in water so clear. Out he came with a muddy face, shaking off drops all over the place. Now he laughs when he goes that way, and watches his steps